Hey my gators, this is just a quick, inspiring, just a little of my day. So today I went grocery shopping, got the stuff for our holiday meal. I actually came back. I bought some fresh fruit. You would have seen some fresh strawberries. You would have seen, oh, my t-shirt balled up. I'm like, what in the world? Some fresh strawberries. So I end up making some strawberry jam, so it has to cool before I put it in the refrigerator. And those are almond soaking because I'm gonna make almond milk. And I already have my sweet potatoes already baked, and they'll be ready for tomorrow where I can make my pies. So now this catch-all area has been, so I gotta take and clean all of the stuff from making the jam. So I just made the jam, so I gotta clean all that mess out. This is an empty container. I'm actually going to recycle. I try not to keep these. This was from our ham from Arby's. And then I had some toast and some coffee. I wasn't hungry. That's what I had. So I'm going to clean all this up. We're going to do some quick camera magic. But not only that, this is the part that's irritating my soul. You guys ready? This is where I'm always sitting. And this is the catch-all. Everything is here. Now I'm happy because, oh, and y'all can't see everything. I'm happy because today I actually scanned most of my receipts that I was able to scan for fetch. But I need to clean this up. I want to be able to work here and utilize this space, but I'm always sitting here working as well. So we're going to do some camera magic and just give you a little inspiration so I can clean it up. So let's do that. This is good as it's going to get for right now. And I'm about to scrub that pan, clean these up, and wipe down that bread box. I found my bread box inside one of the in one of the boxes when I was unpacking. So I'm going to clear that straighten that little area up real quick and then get these. I'm going to do just a quick wash like this because I just use this so none of this stuff is like really sticking. So just a quick wash. And I like to put the soap back on the dishes because it's really soapy and I don't need it just for this cup. So this is going in this recycling. Since it's me and Rizzy, I'm going to get back to getting the meat where it doesn't come in a plastic container, which will actually save plastic. Even though those are recyclable, I hate having to recycle if I don't have to. I'd rather just get a container or get meat from the deli and it has the paper and just the thin plastic and I can just recycle that versus them big old containers that I keep getting that I don't like to keep. So you will have them bad boys and literally they just start collecting. They just really start collecting. I love my stainless steel. I really do. These old school green things, the bomb. The bomb. Now this bad boy, this was from me rushing before we left. And I have to, it's coming out. It's breaking off and coming out, but I need to get my big boy strainer and put that down in here. My big boy scrubber. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Y'all know this bad boy. I showed this to y'all years ago. It'll be almost 2 years. So I'm going to put some soap in it, and cut this water off, and scrub it. Scrub it. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Unclog this. I forgot to sit the thing in there where the water still run out, but I try to guide the big pieces into the drainer so they won't go into my sink. But this is what I do. I put water in it like that, and I set it down flat. And I don't care what you burn on your pan. This back here is coming off. Between this and that green one, this stuff is coming off of your pan. Just need some elbow grease. And get it back to shining. And we are going to be done. See, I didn't have to make a whole thing of water just for this. And that's the way to save on your water bill. And I need to be more mindful of letting the water run. But definitely don't like using the dishwasher. And because I just like hand washing. It's faster. The dishwasher will run for so long. Oh my Lord. It'll run for like an hour and you ain't even hardly got that much in it. I think dishwasher should be automatic sensors, like how your washing machine can detect how much stuff in there and if it should be ran for a long time or not. Now y'all, that was jammed that burnt to my stainless steel. See, if you're using non-stick and something sticks, you can't really scratch it with nothing unless because that non-stick, when it start getting scraped up and it's exposing that metal, it starts sticking. So what happens is you taking that Teflon and all that stuff off and it starts to come off in your food. Not only that, you have to at least put it on the stove or something to get the stuff off of it. Because, and look at that, look at that, look at that. I see one little piece that I'm trying to get off. But this scrubber right here, not sponsored. I showed this to y'all before. And it's the truth with stainless steel, and it's the truth with cast iron. Love it, love it, love it. One of them fell behind here. I had two. One fell behind here. I got a magnetic stick thing to get it, but I think when I get ready to have my countertops changed, I'll just go in and get it then and pull it from back there. But when I say this stuff was hard and crusty on that pan, it was hard and crusty. Hold on, let me toss this. All right, so that was just a quick tidy. Also to give you some information, because guess what? A lot of y'all probably never seen that. A lot of y'all probably never knew about how hazardous the Teflon that you use, the non-stick stuff that you use, is easier to cook with. To you think it's easier, but if you know how to season your cast iron and season your stainless steel, it won't stick. Now the only reason that stick because it was a jam and I left it, and it actually started to come up easy, so it wasn't like stuck, and you see how easy it cleaned up. But it's more healthier to use cast iron and more healthier to use stainless steel, which is what I use. And I cleaned that little area up. That's what it looked like for now. For those who don't know, I'm living in a fixer-upper. These are all temporary countertops and everything. Still got renovations to do. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick tidy. This is what it's looking like so far. I broke my glasses. Well, I didn't break them. The lady broke them, so I'm getting a new pair. So I'm just going to toss those. I hate to toss them, but they can't really be fixed and they're brand new. And then this is getting ready to get dried off and put where it needs to be. Other than that, now my workspace is clear and I can do my pies and stuff on the island. And I'm going to put this up, dry that, and then put, oh my gosh, I don't know what happened. I thought I was talking. I'm going to put this stuff up as well. Let those sit. I already put my jam in the refrigerator. Tomorrow I will be making my pies and I will be making my fresh homemade almond milk. If you're interested in those things, please leave a comment below. I know I have a jam video. Did I do the milk video? I can't remember. I can't remember. All right, guys, later gators, let me get this stuff cleaned up so I can get back to working. All right, later, y'all, talk to me. Talk to me. Look, talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to my feet. Talk to me in the comments because I talk back. I will see you guys in my next video.